Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this lesson, we are going to create a meeting room with other participants streaming to YouTube. You're going to go to Apps. On the left-hand side, you will find Builders. You're going to go down until you get Webinar Builder. It's going to open up your page. You're going to scroll until you get this little blue plus sign. You're going to click on the plus. You've got three options. We are going to stream a webinar room with other participants, so it needs to be the option at the top. We're going to click Next. We're not streaming a file, but we're having a webinar room open, and we are allowing other participants to join. We're going to choose a broadcast target. In this case, I'm not going to click the stream here. I'm going to go the longer way by going to the YouTube channel. You need to go and click on your YouTube icon at the top right corner. Go straight down to YouTube Studio. Then you'll see at the top right, there's that little gray dot. That is for going live. It's going to open up this page. It's going to give you all the stream settings that you need. Just make sure that you've made it public or whatever you want to do. It could be private as well. In my case, I'm just going to make it private because I don't want it to be shown to everybody. Now here you will see the stream key and the stream URL. Grab your key, go back to the webinar, add it right there. Now we're going to go fetch the URL, go back to the webinar again, add it, and say OK. It's all right there. Everything is in order. We're going to go next. We're going to open up the webinar room. We're going to type in your name. Click OK. So here we are. All right, now we're going to invite a participant. Here at the top, you're going to click Invite Participant. You'll see this long link. You're going to copy that, and I'm going to send it to myself right now so that I can join it. Let me just grab it and join it as Jackie 2. And click OK. And here we can see that the person has joined. Remember guys, you can always use the start screen share if you would like to share anything. We've got different kinds of templates that you can use. That is the easiest way to share your screen. And obviously once you share it, if you click this button right here, you would be able to have it in full screen. So now we're going to start the broadcast. You're going to click on Start Broadcast. It normally takes approximately 30 seconds for the stream to go through to YouTube or Facebook, but sometimes it can take longer depending on the connections. But at this stage, it looks like it's live. We're going to go back to our YouTube just to make sure. You can see it shows live right here at the top. So let's just check and make sure. There we go. And that is how easy it is to work with our webinar, inviting participants and then stream it to YouTube. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next.